Hi guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm coming on to do the drawing for my card challenge giveaway for my mommy's birthday card challenge that I started a month ago today. And I've got all of the names here in my little carousel or three-dimensional umbrella box that I made some time ago, and it was just so pretty, and it was sitting on my shelf and I decided to use it. I've got my eyes closed and I'm going to pull out the first name the moment I can make myself stop shuffling. So let's see if I got one. Here is Lucy Mack is my winner. And you want to know what? I said I was only going to give away one of the paper collections from Cartabella. I'm going to give away both of them because you guys are amazing, and I haven't done videos for a while, which makes me sad, but I haven't done them for a while for a reason. Now, Lucy Mack, you can't win the next one. So we're going to go in and pull another name, and I'm going to give away both of these wonderful paper collections, and I'll pull them in just a second. But we're going to pull in, we're going to draw another one. And whoever comments first on this video gets the collection first that they want. Okay, Lucy Mack, you can't. How incredible is that you got both? So not happening. You can only win one. So Lucy Mack, you apparently have very good luck because I never win anything ever. So let's see who the next one is. It is Terry Fox. Terry Fox, you are the second winner. So I'm just gonna peek through my little cards here real quick and see who. Terry Fox, I know for a fact this is one of yours because you sent that gorgeous photo in to make your card. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it for one of your homemade cards. And then Lucy Mack, and I'm certain her name was, yeah, McPherson. And here was your card, Lucy McPherson. So congratulations, ladies. I really appreciate it very much. Your time that you took to send in your entries and all. And let me pull in these gorgeous collections real quick again so that you guys can decide which of the collections that you want. They're both Cartabella collections, and the first one is the Summer Market, which has got all of these wonderful, absolutely wonderful items with it. Incredible items with it. Right there is the Summer Market collection that you can choose from. And then the next one that you choose from is Home Again. Another incredibly gorgeous collection. I have no clue which one I would choose from because I would have a serious hard time choosing because both collections are incredible Both collections are gorgeous, and you absolutely have to love Cartabella. So congratulations, ladies, and congratulations to all of you ladies for sending in your entries. Your cards are amazing, beautiful. I love them all, and Mommy is gonna love them all too. So thank you for participating. I really appreciate it. And again, congratulations, Terry and Lucy. Whoever comments first gets the collection they want first. And just make sure that I have your addresses. And I'm just going to flip over envelopes to see. Terry Fox, I most certainly need your address. Lucy, if your address on your return envelope is correct, I have yours. But Terry, I most certainly need your address. I'm going to give you both 48 hours to respond. More importantly, Terry, 48 hours to respond to this video, and then to send me an email for your address to send your collection. And Lucy, I have your address if it's correct, but if you would please still respond to this video that you're a winner, I would certainly appreciate it. And again, both Terry and Lucy have 48 hours to respond to this video that you're a winner. That's all I need you to respond. Thanks everyone for participating. I really appreciate it. And Terry, I certainly need your address. Bag, bag, bag. Am I allowed to say that? Cheers.